Jiangsu is located in Shanghai, a city renowned as the hometown of aluminum. We specialize in manufacturing, refining flux, dross agents, metal melting furnaces, and related equipment. We offer 4 grades of aluminum refining flux to meet various requirements for molten metal purification. We maintain a ready stock, enabling us to respond quickly to urgent customer needs. Our products are available in 2 types of packaging: carton boxes and plastic bags. Please give us a like and follow our channel. Thank you.